Hi, my name is Jomar, one of your service team members here at South Bay Honda. I'm going to spend some time with you today on this 2018 Honda CR-V and show you how to pair your phone, set your radio station presets, set your door lock settings, and use your audio controls. Let's get started. To pair your phone, press Settings, Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device list, and add a Bluetooth device. On your phone, press Settings, Bluetooth, and hit Continue on the radio screen. Select your phone and hit Pair on your phone. Allow the contacts. Turn on the Honda Assist setting. Allow CarPlay if you have it. And that's it. To set your radio station presets, from the audio menu, select the station that you like. Select the pre-program button. Hold it down. And when it beeps, it's done. You can store up to 12 radio station presets on this vehicle. To set your custom door lock settings, from the home menu, press Settings, Vehicle, Door window setup, and now select a function that you would like to change, such as Auto Door Lock, and select the settings that you like, such as Shift from Park. Select Yes. It's all done. To use the audio controls, press this knob to turn the radio on. Turn the knob to change the volume up or down. And if you wanted to listen to a different source such as Pandora, press Source, select Pandora or AM, and that's it. There's also a second set of audio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. To use them, press up and down to change the source, left and right to change the radio station presets, minus to lower the volume, and plus to raise the volume. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call us or stop by here at South Bay Honda in Milpitas.